When someone truly cares, they don't just hear your words, they feel your emotions. The smallest act of kindness can make a huge difference in someone's life. That's what people who truly care do. A caring person is someone who is willing to take the time to listen, to understand, and to help. People who truly care don't just talk about it, they show it. The most exhausting thing in life is being insincere. Accept yourself, and you will be accepted by others. Acceptance is not love. You love a person because they have lovable qualities. You accept a person because they are sent to you for your spiritual growth. A man who truly cares for a woman will show her that he values and respects her, not just with words, but with actions. The way a man treats his woman is a reflection of how he feels about himself. If he loves and respects himself, he will love and respect you. Stop making excuses and start making progress. You have the power to change your life. You don't always need money to make money. You need ideas, creativity, and hard work. Poverty is not a hindrance to success, but a motivation to succeed. Don't let your lack of money stop you from pursuing your dreams. Get creative, get resourceful, and get to work. Being looked down upon can be a blessing in disguise. It can motivate you to work harder and prove others wrong. You can't calm the storm, but you can calm yourself. The storm will pass. The more anger you hold on to from the past, the less room you have in your heart to love in the present. Expecting things to change without putting in any effort is like waiting for a ship at the airport. People who bite the hand that feeds them usually lick the boots that kick them. When you are grown, you don't fear commitment, you fear wasting your time. Boundaries teach people that you respect yourself and that they need to respect you too. The best revenge is none. Heal, move on, and don't become like those who hurt you. A man who has conquered lust has conquered all. Self-retribution turns a boy into a man. If you want to keep someone you love in your life, don't judge. Try to understand him. Learn your place in people's lives so you don't overplay your part. See you again next video. So, until next time, stay in love. Stay in happy.